Hello class and welcome back. In this video we are going to convert the Projected Raises class to an interactive application named Projected Raises Interactive. Instead of assigning values to the salaries, accept them from the user as input. Okay, so this is our Projected Raises. We're going to change this to Projected Raises Interactive. And we would change it up here, create a new project. I'm not going to do that though. So I'm going to take the old project, change the class name, and instead of having our user enter in the employee salaries, we are going to we're just going to declare the variables and not assign a value to them yet. We're going to come down and we're going to do a right line, and we're going to ask our user enter the salary for employee 1. And then after they enter that salary, we are going to say that employee 1 is going to be equal convert dot to double, and we're going to put read line as the argument in the convert dot to double function. So it should look just like this. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy that line of code I just created, and I'm going to go down and paste it twice. And in the second set, the second instance, I'm going to change the 1 to a 2 for employee 1, and in the prompt. And in the third line, the third section, I'm going to do the same thing, change the 1 to a 3, and that should work. Let's go ahead and run this program. Oh, still trying to do that. Let's run the program again. Salary for employee 1, let's make it easy. Let's do 10, 100, 1,000. Looks all right to me. Okay, that is how you take hard-coded data and allow the user to put data in instead. All right, let me know if you have any issues, any questions, and we will see you in the next video. Have a good day.